Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Muller fast food review. Today we are headed to Burger King and I am just excited to try their Bacon Pretzel King. It's what's for lunch, guys. Up next, stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here, we are parked. I've got my double pretzel Bacon King, and I don't know why I'm smiling so much. I think I'm a little bit excited, but this ran me a total of $6.99. All right, got my napkins because I'm so sloppy, and here it is, guys, the Pretzel Bacon King, exclusive from Burger King. Brand new, guys. Wow. Wow, check that out. Check that out. I could smell the flame grilled right from here. All right, tell you what, let me take you in for the detailed double pretzel bacon close-up. All right, guys, and here it is in all of its fine glory. Brand new, exclusive from Burger King, the double pretzel Bacon King. All right, let's pop the top. Wow, we got some mayo, we got some bacon, we got some cheese, we got 2 patties. It all looks good, guys. I'm gonna give this a shot and tell you exactly what I think. Okay, guys, this looks really, really good. It smells fantastic. First bite, what do we say? Salud. This is absolutely fantastic. The bacon is deep and rich. The flame grilled is just bowling me over. It's just so good. Very beefy. The pretzel bun is nice and soft, but I'm not really getting too much of a pretzel flavor. This is really good, guys. Now I'm picking up the mayonnaise. It's really good. 10 plus, knock it out of the park hit. This is fantastic. It's just so beefy, and the flame grilled and the pretzel bun, which I'm really not getting that much, but the bacon, this all works for me, guys. This is really, really good. You got to go out and try it. So I am giving Burger King 10 plus, knock it out of the park hit on the double pretzel Bacon King. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save half of this for Sweetie Pie. She's coming in from Indianapolis today, and I am sure she's going to love a little bit of a snack when she gets off the plane, because all you get is peanuts, guys. I think they're not serving peanuts anymore on planes. But anyway, from the mobile studio in Hicksville, take care, God bless, so long.